Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will explain how to make a Google Classroom and how to use it. Okay, so I will open it again. You can go to these Google apps and you will find the classroom here. I already have some Google Classrooms here, so you could make a new one from this plus button. Just create a class. This join class is for the student. When you will click on this create class, it will show you some terms. You have to continue. Only the class name is required, so it's up to you if you want to put the rest of the information or not. लेकिन class name यहाँ पर required है, so usually we put the student name and their grade here, so it's easier to navigate it. And you guys can see the subjects down here. कुछ classrooms में subject put किए हुए हैं मैंने, so science, physics, mathematics. It's up to you if you want to put it here or not. When you will do this, for example, ABC, it will show you an option to create it. You just have to click it and then it will open the classroom for you. I have already made one to show this, so that's why I'm just canceling it. When you will make a Google Classroom, then you will be able to share a code with the student for them to join it. The student will go to this plus button and they will join a class. Here they will have to put a class code and then this join button would work and they will be able to join it. You will find the class code here. You can also just copy the link here, copy class invite link and share it with them so they would be able to join it. Next, this is a stream. Whatever material you will upload in the Google Classroom, you will find it here. In the classwork, you can upload material from here. So I have two topics here, percentages and fractions. How would you create a topic? You will create a topic from this create button, go to the last option that says topic, and let's say I'm writing decimal here, add a topic, and here I have a third topic, decimal. For uploading worksheets, YouTube videos, or links of the worksheet, you can go back to the create button and go to material. It will show you a screen like this, and there you can put a title. For example, I'm uploading a worksheet for percentages. Let us suppose that. There would be some instructions, descriptions, but it's optional, so you don't have to put any description. Then you can upload the material from your Google Drive. If you have worksheets and assignments on your Google Drive, then you can just click it and it will show you your drive. I'll reload it. Okay, so I have reloaded it and here is what I was making. I will edit it. Yes, so when you will press drive button, it will show you your Google Drive and all the material you have already uploaded in that. So if you want to upload something from your Google Drive, you will have to put it there first. Next, you can put a YouTube video here. And you can either put a URL, like if you already have a video, you have seen some video, just copy that link and paste it here so it will show you that video. Otherwise, you can search for a video here, for example, percentage. Oops. So here are all the videos related to the topic. You can just pick one. For example, I'm picking this one and add video. Now this video is here and student will be able to see it and watch it. Next, you can create something. For example, I need to create a Google Doc. So it's creating one for me and here it is. And I will write percentage. Well, I'm writing percentage everywhere. Worksheet for grade. Well, nobody is learning percentages in grade 2. So I will just write percentage worksheet here and it will save it. You can see it's saved to drive and the student will be able to access this as well. Now, the next option you have is upload something from your computer. For example, you have downloaded a worksheet, or if you have downloaded a video, a photo, you can upload it directly from your computer or your mobile. Next, you have link. This link works like this, like you can just paste a URL here. For example, I'm writing mathisfun.com. So this link is over here, and now we have three things to upload here, and I will, yes, I can post it, or I can select a topic for it. For example, everything here is related to percentages, so I will select the topic percentages, so it will specifically be for that. Assign to all student, normally we are assigning it to all the student, but if you want to assign it to a few students, and not if it's not for everyone, then you will be able to assign it to a few students. From here it will show you a list of students here. Okay, yes, it will show you a screen like this. Well, there are no students in this. I will show you an example of a classroom I have, in which I have a student, so it would be easier for you to understand that then. Okay, now I'm able to schedule it. I can save it as a draft, or I can just post it right away. Students will see the material in their streams immediately. Yes, so you can just post it. One more thing, you can upload one thing like this post will be shared in multiple classrooms if you want to select them. For example, if I want to share it in all these groups, then they will be able to see it. Acha, I will post it. You can see it's over here in the section of percentages, and I have already uploaded something that is related to fraction. Well, it's the same thing, so it's not related to this topic, so I'll just pick it up and drag it to the fraction topic, and here we go. Now they're all in the right places. This Google Drive button, this symbol, it will take you the folder of your classroom. I have two documents in my classroom, one that I just created and one I already had. So both of them are over here, and with all the changes that I made. You can also make changes in them from here. For example, you can rename it, you can open it and make changes. Uh, in the folder of classrooms, you don't have to make a folder, it will do it for you. And it will also just make a folder of the name of your classroom. This is the folder. If you go to classrooms, you can see I have all the classrooms here, and the classroom I just made, it's ABC grade 2. I'll open it, and here we go. It can also connect Google Calendar to it, and you have settings. In settings, you can change the details of the classroom. You can turn on or turn off the invite codes of the classroom. You can copy the invite link. Well, there's no way to change it, it's just there for you to copy it. Okay, stream and classwork. You can change these settings. Student can post and comment. Students can only comment, and only teachers can post or comment. So I keep it to this, the first option, because I ask my students to upload their homework directly on the stream, so they wouldn't have to send me on WhatsApp or any messages. I directly just check their homework from Google Classroom and upload it back there after checking it. Classwork on the stream, you can change these settings, you can explore around. Well, I'm not talking about the grading part here because it's kind of complex and it will take time to explain, so I will explain it in another video. I'm getting to it. Create. Okay, quiz assignment. This is the part where it will create a Google form for you, and you will be able to edit it, and it will be added to your Google Drive folder here. You can create a simple assignment. For example, if you want to upload a worksheet through these methods, or if you want to upload a video or anything as a part of the assignment, you will be able to do that. Next, you can keep it graded. You can put the points here. For example, if I want it to be 50 points, I can change this number and I can keep it ungraded. You can put a due date and time. For example, I'm putting 20 September for the due date, and it's optional to keep a time. I just clicked it and it's showing me 11:59 p.m. So I'll just accept it. So here's the due date, and you can close submission after due date. It will not let the student upload their work if the due date is gone. You can again change the topic. Either you can create a new topic or you can keep it in an already made topic. So let us say decimals assignment. So this is a decimal assignment. You can put instructions here, you can upload things here, and then you can either schedule it, save as a draft, or assign it. Again, you can assign it to multiple classrooms, to multiple students, and you can also control to which students this is going to be assigned through this. Rubric part is again the part in which you can create grades, custom grades, and you can just grade the assignments using those standards you have already made. But if leave it, we are not talking about that right now. And I'll just assign it. So here is the assignment, decimals assignment, and it shows the due date and time. In the people part, you will be able to see yourself as a teacher. If you want to add more teachers here, you can add it from here. And if you want to add more students, you can copy the invite link and send them an email for that. The last part is grades part. We don't have anything here because no student is in the class. We have not graded any students. No student has turned in their work. That's why this is empty. If you will have the students in there and you will assign them homework and assignments, then it would show something here. I'll show you a real example. So I'm going back to my classroom and I'll go to this. So you can see all the work I have uploaded so far is on the Google on the stream, and this is an upcoming assignment. I have assigned this to the student and they will have to upload it before the due date. In the classwork, I have two sections here. All of the things are organized. In the people, you can see the student over here. There is only one student. And in grades, you can see these are the grades I have. These are the assignments I have given to my student, and these are the grades with it. The ungraded assignment is over here. I am able to grade it. Well, I will do it after 11:59 p.m. You can do this grade all thing. For example, enter the same grade for all the students. So if you have more than one student, you can just grade them all out of the total you have kept. The totals are different because I have kept different marks, 24, 100, 100, and these are the topics. You can either edit it or delete it, it's up to you. You can sort your student's name, and what else. Okay, I will click on one of them. See, this is what you're gonna see when you assign your work to the student. When I assigned it, it was showing 1 in the assigned part and 0 in the other parts. When the student turned it in and I hadn't checked it yet, it was showing 1 in turned in and 0 in the signed and graded. And now I have checked it, I have graded it. Now it's showing 1 in the graded part and 0 in the other two. You can also see your student work from here, and you can also see it in the folder of the assignments. In the Google Drive, it will open the folder for you. I'll click it. See, this is the folder, and you can see the details. The classroom name is Ishal Umair, Mathematics and Science. The topic was parameters and area quiz, and the student has turned this in. So you can check it by clicking it over here, and then you can grade it from here. This is where you grade it. excuse, mark as missing. If the student is not turning it in, so you don't have to grade it, you just mark as missing. Or you can also just give a 0 if you want. अच्छा ये सब कुछ हो गया. Instructions, well this is the part where I uploaded it, so ये सब कुछ यहाँ पर है. Well, yeah, that is pretty much everything about the Google Classrooms. I will discuss the rubric in another video, inshallah, and I'll share it with you, inshallah.